guys, I donate Kaylee, Kaylee Sar-Allen, and today I'm going to be doing Squishy Dares, and today I have a guest star, Deja McElroy.
Hey people! You don't have good lighting actually.
No, it's just lighting. So we got some squishies. And
We have more squishies.
I'm going to go get the scissors.
We have more squishies, but these are the squishies we don't really care for.
First, we're going to do this very fake one.
Yeah, it's really fake. I don't think it's even a squishy at all. It's not gonna cut through, it's fabric. Tell me in the comments if it's a squishy, because I think it's just a pillow. Like, because it's like, have fabric and stuff. So let's see what's in this fabric one. And they're stuffing it. That's definitely not a squishy. I think it's just a McDonald's pillow.
It's not from McDonald's though. I ordered it and it said it was a 50 cents.
So she ordered it online. What was the site called? She forgot, but yeah, it's a fake squishy. She got it for 50 cents. And we all know those are fake. I'm gonna boil one. That's a squishy dare.
Well, we could literally just make our own now. You have a
Snowballs.
Okay, don't make a mess.
My sister, she had this,
Christmas ornament.
No, my sister, she had a whatchamacallit. Oh yeah.
We're not cutting this one.
I know. This one.
You get the cut. We're gonna cut it in half, and then we can cut each part. Okay, ready? Ready?
Wait, can I cut this one first?
Since you got to, you cut half of it. So I'm gonna cut half of the line. You cut the other half.
Anyways, so my...
Ew, why the nose? Ew, that would hurt. If it would even cut.
What was I talking about? What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so my sister, she had this like this stuffing thing. Like, you know how you make your own bear, Build-A-Bear?
Mm-hmm.
Except it was this crank thing that you can put and stuff your like stuffed animal or something. And it came with like these like stuffed animal pillows with no stuffing in them, so you can stuff them yourself.
Mm-hmm.
We made dough inside of it. So what we did was we put a bunch of flour, salt, pepper, and it was like mushy dough, like sticky, super sticky dough.
You did the rest.
And it was hecka mushy and super sticky. And then, you know what we did?
Put it on the camera. Why is it not even on?
And then she's like, I dare you to eat it. And I was like 3 and I ate it. It was so funny. So we're cutting the squishy right now.
Because you're cutting it. Don't rip it. You're cutting it. This little guy.
Okay. So
actually, I think we are.
This isn't fake. I think this is real, but it's not slow rising, so that's why we didn't really care for it.
All squishies are not slow rising.
I know.
So why are you supposed? You said I think it's real because it's not slow rising. Oh, not all squishies are slow rising.
I know. I said. Oh my god.
Like those squish balls.
So this was in it.
That's just.
Yeah, that's the little hook. So you can just put a string there. And we don't really care for this one because it's not slow rising. We like slow rising ones.
Well, this was a rare one.
And we also have a dumpling that's really slow rising. I want to show you that, but we can't find it. Oh my god.
I dropped it! Well, that's it for this video. So...